I can take.
Who's that guy?
Chucky.
Chucky! There he is. Is that Chucky? Oh, there he is. There's the side of the box.
I want to put it up there.
Up where? There's no story? Just Chucky on both sides. Oh, here we go. He's 3.5 feet tall. Fierce through the years animated Chucky doll. Indoor use only. Head, mouth, eyes, waist, and left arm move. Motion activated. Speaks 3 different phrases. Yeah, he's a little bit bigger than your standard Chucky / good guy doll. Should we build him? Let's do it. Are we ready to test out Chucky? And plug him in and turn on the power and let's see what he looks like. All right, press the button.
I have had it. That's it. There is a limit to how much I can take.
What?
He says 2 more things.
As a doll, I'm infamous. I'm one of the most notorious slashers in history, and I don't want to give that up. I am Chucky, the killer doll, and I did it.
One more?
Go ahead and shoot. I'll be back. I always come back.
Pretty cool.
I love the button. We're gonna make another.
There's Chucky.